My name is Tony DeQuisto. I am the Vice President of Operations for Replenex. We're out of Eden Prairie, Minnesota. We're an industrial distribution. The most important factor for us is to run a profitable business and create a reliable supply chain for our customers. They're our partners. And we take pride in that, and we like to deliver measurables to make sure that they're profitable as well. So I think that is the most important factor that we look for. We're 58 employees, and I have people on my staff that have been with the organization for better than 40 years. So they implemented Chewy, they knew GUI, and I think what CloudSuite did was level the playing field for everybody. Created a different network of work inside the organization and a different level of respect for one another. Even though the acronyms that they learned in Chewy and what they learned and used in GUI still work in CloudSuite, but for somebody like me, who never really was in Chewy or GUI, now I'm in CloudSuite, I like to be able to use that search function to find everything that I need versus knowing all those little acronyms, even though I'm getting better at it. The future loading of pricing in the new module in CloudSuite is huge for us because we can load in the future price, create an impact file for our customers. Our customers can see what those changes are going to be. We can work together as partners to determine, hey, this is the deal, but we can also potentially look for substitutes. How do we mitigate and look for the next time it comes around? We have an open line and clear communication. I think it's really honest, especially the time that we just came through and we're still experiencing today with the pandemic. We have had weekly communication conversations with them. We have started what we refer to as rail meetings. Those are rolling action item list meetings, and we have identified critical path parts or identified items that could potentially shut them down, and we ping those in our system so we can talk about them weekly. I think we need to set up the younger generation of the organization for the future, and automation is going to be critical for them. Technology and automation, and I think that's going to be the biggest concentration over the next 2 to 3 years. The future date is a huge one for us. The new parent-child relationship where you can tie a part number to multiple ship-to locations and the pricing stays the same across all, so we call that harmonization. And so being able to harmonize all the pricing across all the ship-tos was another big thing. Moving to that automated process, especially in accounting for accounts payable, all the invoices and stuff like that, that is going to be a huge win for us from that automation. We're also automating our pick tickets and sales orders in the warehouse, so everything will be in the cloud. You know, we say do more with less. We're going to have to do more with more. And I think the biggest thing for us right now is going to be, how do we look at automating as much as we can? Because I think we need to set up the younger generation of the organization for the future.